Hello, History Day friends. You have decided to do a website, so this is a short tutorial to get your website up and running. A reminder that you should not actually start creating your website until you got your rough draft back and you have edited it. This is simply to build the website so it's ready to go when you are. Okay, first major point. You need to go to nhd.weebly.com. This is different than when we did the Civil War projects. You're not going to use the same Weebly account. You must do it through NHD. So start there and you're going to see this come up with the National History Day logo. Next, you're going to need to create a username or password. If you are in a group, only one person should be doing this. Whoever has history first, or if you're in the same hour, pick one person to do it. Pick a username that's going to be easy to remember, and same with the password. You will then, if you are in a group, make sure that you share it via email to the rest of the members of your group. So for instance, I'm going to use my username as, let's try Snowy. And my password, I'm going to keep it the same, Snowy, to make it easy. I would definitely put your email in here, your ISD 284, just in case you forget your password. And then click on I accept the terms of service and sign up. And that's been taken. So we'll try Snowy 145, 145, and we're good to go. Okay, so here we are. This is going to be the URL of my website. This is what you're going to use if you want to share it with grandma in Florida or whoever, because Weebly websites through National History Day are not public. This is the only way that people can see them. Okay, then we're going to go to Edit Site, and we're going to set up just the basic kind of outline of our site. And you will hopefully remember how to do this from doing the Civil War project. Basically right now we're just going to build the pages. You can go back and play around with the theme, etc. later, but right now we're going to add some pages. So let's click here. Our first page is the home page, and you're going to leave it like that. It should still be labeled home. On that page you are going to have your thesis, your main quote, and your main picture, your names, and you're also going to include junior website because that's the category you're in. Okay, then we're going to add another page, and it's going to be a standard page. And your new page, the first one, should be your deep causes. Now hopefully you will come up with better titles than deep causes, but for right now you can certainly just put deep causes, and then when you come up with something better you can change it. Now the other thing to look at is the header type. A tall header means that you've got a picture like this that's going to be there. Good things are it's kind of cool looking. Bad things are is you got to have a really long and skinny picture, or it's going to crop out much of it. And then down here is where you'd put your content. So your other choices would be to have a shorter header, which is going to make it even skinnier, or to make it simple, you might just say no header, and then you can bring your pictures in and have them whatever size you want. Okay, so I'm done with that page. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to add another one. My next page is going to be my immediate causes, and I'm going to do no header on all of them because I don't want the long picture. Hit save. Then we're going to go to our next page. Again, you can be doing this along with me. Heart of the story. Hit save. And we're going to go to another new page. Oh, I think I forgot to get rid of the header. Yes, I did. So we'll get rid of that. And next we're going to go to short-term effects. No header, save. And then of course you know the next one, which is going to be your long-term effects. Okay, now the other two pages that you're going to add are going to be your process paper, which you haven't done yet. You're going to end up doing this in language arts actually during the week after your History Day project is due. And you're also going to do your annotated bibliography. And these will be attached to these pages, so you don't even have to print these out the day of History Day. It's hard to spell. There we go. Okay. And there you go. Now you've got all the pages that you need. So you should have 8 pages. You can certainly make sub-pages on there if you want to. If you can see here, drag pages up and down to reorder and left and right to create sub-pages. So for instance, let's say I wanted a sub-page under my immediate causes. I would do this. I'd add another page and I'd say fun facts. And I've got that here, so I would drag it to where I want it, and if it's indented like that, it's going to become a subpage of my immediate causes. Okay, so then when it comes time to editing, one thing you should do is go to Settings. You're going to see the site title. You're going to want to title that whatever your project might be. Manhattan Project, Exploring New Ways to End the War. Okay, that's going to that's going to end up being on all of your pages. So once you've got that done, you can go back to Build, and you're going to see there's your title, there's all of your pages, and then you simply go to edit each page like you did during our Civil War project. So for instance, in Deep Causes, I can drag text over, I can do titles, images, galleries, slideshow. There's more fancy stuff down here, media such as a video, audio, etc. One easy trick to do is when you do text, you can simply copy and paste straight from your Google document, so you don't have to retype everything, of course, and size it the way you want, etc. You can add links, all that good stuff. If you have questions about those details of editing, of course, see your history teacher and we can help you. You can also help each other because you guys are all good at tech. So enjoy making your website and good luck with History Day.